Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this session, I'm just going to discuss about our positional option scanner. So where we are using that scanner for our positional option logic, which helping you to find out a monthly positional as well as weekly positional. So based on the strategy and how many stocks this month can give you an opportunity and how we are going to use our strategy effectively. By this maybe a video where we can see the month of July that is going to end today. So they expired, and tomorrow onwards we are going to focus on August series. So that is what the last trading session, how much opportunities which happen here and how we can effectively use our positional strategy that we are going to discuss here. Okay, so here a lot of opportunities were created for this month of July. So how we are effectively use our strategy, that is the main concept, because this is as a scanner will scan for all the F1 list of stocks, whatever the stocks which moves, either a call side or a put side. So this is a tool, and it is a scanning purpose which we are finding out a movement in the stocks for a monthly wise. For an example, this month the Kalangelis, Loda are the top performer as a month wise. I'm talking about month wise, and a week wise. The last week, mostly the expiry week and also the low premium can be increased very high. So last week of an expiry, we don't consider that weekly. So because very few small premium can turn into very bigger movement, but last week we can't able to trade because of physical delivery and lack of liquidity. So that is a different concept. So that is why we are avoiding the last week of expiry and our positional logic. So where non-directional as well as directional strategy, we have a core content. So in options we can able to do directional and non-directional. So non-directional based on the IV, IVP and implied, that is implied volatility, percentile and IVR rank. So based on that we can pick out some calculation. So if that any stocks which meets that calculations at the then we can look for this, and the directional is based on the purely price based direction. So we can apply a strategy like 2.1 3.2 kind of strategies and FO, SBB kind of strategies, which we can have the hedging model. But here this is the price which were moved more. So there we can find out some good opportunity by using this particular scanner. We can find some opportunities and we can apply the strategy. Same like that in non-directional 1.1 SBB FO strategy, and here naked one. So here OTM, some kind of strategies which you are going to learn on the sessions. But how we can apply this, for an example, this month we have July, because today is an expiry, tomorrow this contract or data is not available in our scanner because it is a live scanner, and monthly based scanner still available for 1 month, and the next contract started by tomorrow. So we are making videos. Almost we have seen near about 20-25 stocks where it is moves more than 50 percentage from that options value. And in put sides we have seen almost 15-20 stocks where it is moves. But here in call side, so we have almost 25 plus stocks, and put side 15 plus stocks. So overall 40 stocks where it is giving such a good movement. So our main logic is to find some 3 to 4 stocks for the entire month. So that is what the logic which we are going to learn on our option strategy course. So after understanding that particular concept, so we can pick it out the stocks from this list. Okay, so it's the same concept which you are applying on our weekly based strategy. And intraday is purely depends on indicator based. Indicator based is nothing about the Camarilla pivot point. So one of the key pivot. So where R4 breakout. So when any options instrument strike prices which breaks the R4, this particular scanner will scan. This is also not directly or indirectly provided this to buy or that to buy. So but it is a scan which find it out all the F1 list, what is happening, or what are the strikes where breaking that particular R4 level. So for an example, Titan today 4750. So let me add a pivot Titan. So it will be 750. Purely an option strike. Okay, so we are not using any kind of what we say, kind of any scanners charting. So we mostly created a lot of scanners in charting, but the charting doesn't provide you the option data, so we can't able to create any option scanners there. But we built our own scanner which helps you is to find out the R4. For example, Titan 18.5. So this is an 18.5. That is what the R4 level of that particular strike that we are mentioning. That strike price which you are picking out from the yesterday's closing price. Then today it is giving you the R4 breakout, and then it gives you some good movement. And TVS motor 3880. So that exactly that R4 values which are filter out, and then we are tracking it. So here is the, but today is an expiry day, so it is an entirely different concept. We are not going to use our positional or even intraday strategy, because we know there is a liquidity issue and also physical margin. So maybe we can focus for a next month contract that is also having liquidity issue. But the main logic on monthly option strategy. So we have this much of stocks more than 40 plus, which crossed to 50% higher. But our logic is to find some 3 to 5 stocks overall for the month. So to do that, so we have to track the market and we have to watch the scanner, and it is a positional, not going to track and continuously. So maybe evening or even half an hour, 1 hour, if you are tracking that, so we can able to find out where there is a breakout opportunity in particularly stock options. That is what the main key and concept which are developed with this particular scanner. And also we built intraday option scanners that is not available in charting. So we built our own scanner for purely an intraday. So someone who asked for only an intraday, so this is what our intraday options scanner, which is going to work based on the price, volume, and contract base. And today you can look at this many stocks which gives you 500%, 300%. That is not a reliable one. Why? Because of today's an expiry, maybe the premium which is very slow, very low, and maybe due to that movement it was increased very huge, and that is why this is showing. And also expiry day we are not considered this is a real result. Okay, tomorrow onwards we can able to see some of the good opportunity from this particular intraday scanner. This is purely for intraday stock option comparing to the today's opening price, the strike selection which are done by the today's opening price. So these are all the scanners which I built for option strategy, and this is purely an intraday, and this is a positional which works based on our positional logic. That is what a course. So where you can learn some strategies, around 5 strategies, and 4 which we can do on edging basis. And after finding an opportunity, you can also choose which strategy is best suitable to you, and you can use the strategy on the live, and it will be helping you to find some good opportunities. And that is what month of July. So maybe tomorrow, as per our logic, the next 4 days, what we are going to wait, next 3 days, right? So we are not going to trade, but if you want to weekly, so you can use August series, and also monthly also you can use same like a weekly till 31st and 3rd of August. So there is a new series from the monthly and weekly would be changed, and monthly should be never changed. The strikes and stock selection should be till for the month of August. So, and this is what the maybe a scanner performance, how much stocks it filtered and how it is works, and that is what the scanner and the month of July. Okay, so or if you want to here also you can change over to next month contract. That is also the options which you have. So here itself the 25th August, that we are not going to focus on monthly, weekly. So maybe we have some opportunities, go Porsche Concard. So maybe still this will continue for this weekend, and we will be able to find some good opportunities for our weekly strategies too. And intraday, it's not about very big change because it is going to be updated daily. So these are all our own option scanner which we have built it, and also we are providing it a one-time setup cost. So if anyone really interested to get the scanner and along with the course, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown here, and you can learn that particular strategies. Along with that, you can also get access about the scanner, and it will be helping you to make your better trading career. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.